Welcome to my channel again. Let's repot the 3 new Phalaenopsis Buddha's treasure and take a look at the new Phalaenopsis Little Emperor Pelioric and the Phalaenopsis Buddha's treasure that I rescued. Before I forget, this one is a special request from Mary from the YouTube channel MaryG Orchids More, so please enjoy. If anyone else has a suggestion or a request, just leave me a note in the comment section below and I'll see what I can do. Of the 3 new plants, one already had some yellowing leaves upon arrival, and now 2 weeks later they finally fell off. I already contacted the seller, sending pictures of the plant and a link to my unboxing video as proof, but as usual no reply. So let's take them out of their bad and rotting moss and see what we can work with. I will speed up the unpotting, and after removing all the moss and bad or dead roots, I will spray the whole plants with hydrogen peroxide. This will remove all algae and fungi if present. All cleaned up, sprayed soaking wet with hydrogen peroxide, I left them for approximately 15 minutes. Then after the rinse, it's time to give them another good soak in a mild seaweed solution. After approximately 20 minutes of soaking, they are ready to be potted up. Again, I will be using my big, round, ball-shaped pot. And as a growing medium, I will be using coarse sponge cubes and Syntic in the ratio of 2:1. The Syntic will hold more water, while the sponge cubes make sure the media stays airy. And while potting up, the top center leaf of the third crappy plant also came off. So now I'm left with a good root system, 2 leaves and no grow point, so hopefully this one will produce a side shoot that will save its life or it'll die. Well, so be it, but I will never ever order from this so-called nursery again. Since these plants are used to having their roots wet practically all the time, I flush them immediately with 2 liters of water. This way the syntic can suck up as much water as it can and the roots are kept wet. Since the repot, I've been doing this every day now, alternating one day with plain water and the other day with water containing my fertilizer. And so far, the plants are doing good. And in time, I will slowly reduce the water to my normal watering routine. So all done now, and let's see if they will adjust to their new growing environment. Now how are the other 2 Phalaenopsis doing in this series? First, Phalaenopsis Little Emperor Peloric. As you can see, one leaf is going over, but the plant is still adjusting and is doing well. The first buds that were forming when I repotted blasted, but the flower spike keeps on extending, forming new buds. So we will see some flowers in the near future. However, I won't let it bloom for too long, so the strength that now goes into forming flowers will be diverted into the plant forming new leaves and growing on. The rescued Phalaenopsis Buddha's treasure is doing well too. Flower buds kept on growing and I'm expecting the first opening of a flower in the following days. And although all plants seem to be doing well, they are a bit stressed from the extensive heat that we are experiencing at the moment. Thanks for watching. Next video this weekend will be something orchid related that all of you will enjoy. See you then.